In today's video, we will see how you can easily separate first name and last name in Excel using two different methods. In the first method, as soon as I click on OK, Excel automatically split the full name into first and last name. In the second method, you will notice when I click Run, Excel instantly separate the name using a more advanced technique. So in this video, we'll explore both methods step by step. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Here I have a list of full names along with the two blank columns where we will separate the first and last name. First, I will select all the full names. Next, I will go to the Data tab and click on Text to Column. This will open the Convert Text to Column wizard. Here, select Delimited and click Next. In the next step, you will see few delimiter options. Since we want to split the names based on space, I'll select Space. You can preview how Excel will split the names below. Now in the final step, we need to change the destination cell. If we don't change it, Excel will override the original full name column. I'll change the destination to B4 and then click Finish. A pop-up window will appear, just click OK. And there you go, Excel has successfully separated the first name and last name into two columns. This is the simple and quick method. Now let's check out the second method, which is a bit more advanced. Here I have some names that include numbers and special characters, which can't be separated properly using text to columns. For these, we will use a VBA code. I'll provide the code in the description below. You can copy it from there. First, we need to enable the developer tab. If the developer tab is not visible, go to the View tab and click on Customize the ribbon. And under the main tab, check the developer option and then click OK. Now you will see developer tab. Click on the developer, then click Visual Basic. In the VBA editor, click Insert and then click Module. Now paste the code you copied earlier. Once done, go to File and close, Return to Excel. Click on any cell under the first name column. Then go to the Developer tab and click on Macros. In the Macros window, you will see the macro name Split Name. Select it and click Run. You will see that Excel has successfully separated the names without any error. Now let's save the file. Go to File, then select Save As, give your file name and make sure to select Excel Micro Enable Workbook. This way, next time you open the file, you won't need to install the VBA code again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.